Hi, this is Dan, Jinx K Reviews. Today I'm going to be cooking some bratwursts. I wasn't going to do a video because bratwursts aren't really that, it's just bratwurst. It's nothing really too special about it. It's a quick cook. Probably going to take about 15-20 minutes to cook them, but I had the Vortex out and figured why not, let's just try cooking these on the Vortex. It'll be my third cook with the Vortex and see how they come out. I'm gonna use this DeWalt leaf blower to kind of speed up the process on this chimney starter a little bit. Of course, if any of you try that at home, be careful. The sparks could fly and fly around and catch some on fire. So don't always do what you see on YouTube. All right, I'm gonna get this going for about maybe 10 minutes. Get the coals going. They're just regular charcoals today, and see how these brats go. All right, I had that Vortex going for about 10 minutes, and this is way hotter than the last video I did with the wings. We're at 525 at the grate. I did have it cracked open like that, so that could be a factor. Up in the top, just totally buried. It's probably like 700-800 it looks like. All right. So let's hopefully, I didn't bring my gloves on today, so this is hot. All right. Let's get this guy cleaned off. Yeah, I don't know if it's the regular charcoal or if it's that I started it with the DeWalt leaf blower to kind of get it heated up faster, but it's really going. My foil's kind of catching on fire from the cook I did earlier with the wings. Must have still had some oil on there, but that'll be all right. I got some apple wood chunks I'm just gonna throw on the top here just for the heck of it. I don't know if it's gonna add any smoke flavor or not, but we'll give it a shot. It smells good. I think I'm actually gonna close down this vent a little bit. Because it's more than hot enough for some brats. Oops. Like I said, that handle is extremely hot, so I'm gonna be getting my gloves for sure. Alrighty, let that thing, actually I'm gonna let that cool off just a little bit before I throw the brats on there. Alright, see you in about 5 minutes. Alright, it's been about 10 minutes. Temps are kind of stabilized a little bit. We're at, about 300 degrees at the grate, and then 600 up on the top there. Much better for cooking these brats. We don't want them to turn into charcoal immediately. So, all right, get ready to throw them on. right, I did bring my gloves because way too hot to be handling this handle without them. It's funny, in the last video I warned you guys about how hot it is and to protect your hand, and I decided, oh okay, I'm just gonna try to take it off really quick, and yes, it's hot. I'm gonna let that cook about 10 minutes and see how it goes. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. It's getting kind of dark out here. I hope I don't have any like decent lighting set up or anything, just the light from my phone, so hopefully this comes out okay. But just brought a little thermometer to kind of check the temp of the lid up here. Looks like we got about 400, 420 on the lid, top of the handle. About 230. Yeah, about 230 for the handle. And we're at 450 on the top thermometer there. The great temp is at around 300. This guy's a little flip, looking good. Coals for these wood chunks push down in here. Alright, give it another 10 minutes and it should be just about done. Alright, it's been about another 10-12 minutes. These guys are sounding done to me. Alright, so what the temp is. .208, definitely done. throw them on the center. They're probably just bust the skin open and everything. You find just how they are. All right, looks like another good cook with the Vortex. Thanks for staying tuned, and look forward to some more videos. Thank you.